In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse privately using Google Chrome's Incognito Mode. This is a great feature if you want to keep your browsing history and activities discreet, as it won't be saved to your device. So, let's get started. First off, you want to make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. It's a fast and reliable browser that's quite popular for its simplicity and range of features. Now, once you have it open, take a look at the very top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots. This is what's known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This menu gives you access to a variety of settings, tools, and features that Chrome has to offer. Once you've clicked the three-dot menu, you'll see a list of options. From that list, you'll want to select New Incognito Window. When you do this, a new window opens up. It's quite distinctive because of its dark theme and the little incognito icon, depicted by a figure with sunglasses and a hat, in the corner. This window signals that you're now in incognito mode, enhancing your privacy as you browse. Incognito mode is incredibly useful for various scenarios. Perhaps you're sharing your computer and don't want others seeing your activities, or maybe you're researching something personal. In either case, incognito mode has you covered. What makes this feature stand out is its approach to privacy. When you're in incognito, Google Chrome does not save your browsing history, meaning any websites you visit will not show up in your history log. Additionally, cookies and site data aren't stored, so you won't have these sites tracking your browsing behavior as they normally would on a regular window. It's also worth noting that while incognito mode does enhance privacy from a local standpoint, it doesn't make you invisible on the internet. Your activity might still be visible to the websites you visit, your employer, or your internet service provider. But for clearing your tracks from your local device, it's perfect. To exit incognito mode, simply close the incognito window like you would any other browser tab or window. It's all very straightforward. And there you have it, a simple way to maintain privacy and keep your browsing habits to yourself using Chrome's incognito mode. Remember, this is a convenient tool for improving your privacy, but always be aware of its limitations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep browsing safely, and see you in the next tutorial.